This is version 2 of the Halo keyboard. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and compare the big differences and the upgrades from NuPhy's original Halo keyboard. Stick around to the end for the sound test, these switches are amazing. This package is nice. Something that caught me off guard was these stickers. I'm not a huge fan, but if you are, no judgment. The keyboard was securely packaged with a dust cover as well as a plastic wrap. The accessories include a sample of NuPhy's signature switches, which I'll show in a second, a USB to USB-C cable that matches the theme of the keyboard, a switch and keycap puller, and then of course the Halo keyboard. The three switches are the linear mint switch, the linear raspberry switch, and the tactical lemon switch. I love that they keep the color theme tied in, from the keycaps to the accessories to the switches. It also comes with spare keycaps that you can switch out. Now NuPhy calls the keycaps MSA, which are ergonomic and feel like low profile keys. And you can see how they're all kind of the same height. On the back is the USB-C port, the Windows and Mac switch, the wired Bluetooth mode, as well as the slot that holds the little USB dongle. Here's a little satisfying peel. The adjustable feet are always a bonus in my book, and it's cool to see that they changed the design from the version 1 to the new one with a semi-translucent bottom to let more of the RGBs through, tying in the whole Halo theme. This keyboard is PCB gasket mounted, giving good flex and a very comfortable typing experience. NuPhy did something really cool with these 4 keycaps. Instead of just having the little bumps on the homing keys, they actually made it transparent so the RGBs shine through on the F, the J, up arrow, as well as the number 5. I turn the lights down, that way you can see how great that it actually shines through the keyboard. Let's look at the comparison and upgrades. With the version 2 of the Halo, you get 3 more color options. The wireless polling rate doubled to 1000 Hz in the version 2. It's 10.3 times faster with the dongle, 5.9 times faster in Bluetooth mode, and 10.4 times faster in wired mode. Now these are huge improvements from version 1. The firmware upgrade is also a big improvement. The second version uses VIA, which is way better than the original software, as well as the version 2 gets the new homing LED bars that we just looked at. The improvements on this keyboard don't stop here. The keyboard sounds amazing with the raspberry switches. Give it a listen. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you're looking for a full-size keyboard with the cool LCD screen, check out this vid. Peace.